Okay, so this is going to be a video of me solving Rubik's Cube with little talking at this point. Just going to go through the steps here. This is a very deliberate way of solving this. You sort of do one layer at a time. As I do this, my goal is to get this top layer all white, okay? I succeeded, it's all white and all the sides match as well, so that's good. So that's sort of step one, right? I'm going to flip it upside down, my lingo, and now work on getting the second layer, all the same color. All right, so layer two. So first layer all matches and the second layer is all matched. So now I got to work on the top. There's different ways to do this. Let me see who knows what will be the best way to do this. Let's try this. All right, so at least I got the top of them. So the bottom two layers still all match. Got the top layer all the same color. That's my next goal. Now I got to work on the top layer. Now I'm close. I've got two bottom layers all done. I've got the top, very top, all the same color. And I've got one side all matching. Okay. So I'm very close at this point. Okay. Gotta repeat that again. And there we go. There is a solved Rubik's Cube. Now I'm going to make a second video where I actually talk about the thought process I'm going through while solving this. That's going to be a much longer video. So if you're going to watch any of these videos, or you're going to skip one of them, it's much more likely you're going to skip that second one, right? So I'll stop this.